What's up YouTube, it's your boy Junior here, bringing you another great video to the channel. If this is your first time here guys, I want to suggest, and I mean highly suggest, you do one step. And what's that? Is go ahead and click on the subscribe button and enable bell notifications so you get notified every time we drop great videos like this one or whenever we go live. Because trust me guys, you're not going to want to miss out on anything we do on this channel. Alright guys, you guys know I do a lot of product reviews, and this is another product review that I bought that I wanted to get because of where I live. It's a little hard to do this. So what did I get is in this package right here. It's in this little case right here. It's not a fancy little case, and this is off the TikTok shop. Yes, off the TikTok shop. It's a great deal when I got this. So in this case right here, you see it's a small case. Well, it's not that small, but you see it's a pretty small case. It's a portable high pressure spray gun to wash your cars. And it's awesome. It's very portable. All you need is a bucket and water in it, and then it is portable anywhere. You don't need to hook it up to any hose or anything like that. And it comes with a rechargeable battery, which I think is phenomenal and all that good stuff. So let's go and take a look at it. All right, so we're gonna go and open it up. It comes in this box right here. And if you're gonna be interested in this, I'll leave a link to the TikTok shop where I got it from down below, or to the video that I did on this on my TikTok, because you know how to do it on TikTok too. So you can go and get it through there. It helps the channel out and it helps me out a little bit if you guys do want to buy it. But I think this is a great tool to get if you want to do it. So check it out. All right, so we're gonna open this up here. Just like any case, when you open it up, you get all this stuff in here. Oh damn, this thing is okay. Okay, the case is a little, so the quality built on the case itself is not the greatest, so it is what it is. Oh, I'm trying to put this back together in here. Okay, good. All right, so I'm gonna bring it up here so make it easier. So you see here, you get this hose here. This hose connects to the spray gun and into the filter line where the water goes through, so you have this extent of long wire in here. All right, here is the rechargeable battery you hook up to the spray gun, which is a 48 volt. All right, and then when you want to recharge it, there's the plug right there to recharge it. You can go recharge it from there. There's this little the spray bottle here. I think this is if you want to run soap into your gun and spray into the car to wash it with soap. You put the soap in here. I'm not too sure with this yet, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is, because that's most of the guns I've seen online, that's what they do. So you can do this here. All right, here's the rechargeable plug to recharge the battery whenever you want to recharge it. Here is the hose kit. As you see, it's not a big spray hose like a regular pressure cleaner, like a big one, because you don't need it. If you're gonna pressure wash your car or clean it, you don't need to be that far away. You can spray real close. These are all the hoses. This thing right here, you see that has like a filter line there right there. That's what you're gonna hook up to the hose that I showed you up here. You're gonna hook this up to there and put this part of the thing into the water bucket. I'll show you when I do demonstrate everything out. And of course, here's the gun itself. I'm gonna take it out. So this is the gun right here, guys. Very, very simple. It's by, the company's called SPZTJK. Don't know the name of the company like that. And so basically, you hook up the battery right here, and you can hear it. Look. And you basically hook up the water hose here, and then you let it run into the bucket, and this is where you connect this accessory is here, the spray gun right here, right there, and you can go ahead and spray it across. Simple as that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take you outside, I'm gonna get a bucket of water, and I'm gonna show you how everything works, and I'm gonna put everything together so you can see everything, and we'll take it from there. So I'll be right back. All right guys, and so I went and hooked everything up. I got the gun here, I got the hose connected, and I got the thing inside my little bucket of water. So now all I have to do is spray and see how good that sprays. That's a single stream one. So I just wanted to show this real quick, how that looks, so you guys can see how it is. The pressure's pretty good to wash your car. It's really good for it. All right, now if you want to switch the nozzle, I want to go ahead and switch it with the wide nozzle, so I'm going to take this out here, pop this off, take this new nozzle, stick it in there, and then now when I do that, it gives me a wide stream. So you can do it 2 different ways, and you can hook it up with, guys, right here. Look at this. This is an easy way to go ahead and clean your car portable with just a bucket of water and this machinery. Again, if you did want to get this, guys, look into the link below. It's to my TikTok page, and once you're in my TikTok video, click on the link there and you'll be able to go ahead and order it for yourself. It's a very cool device. In my personal opinion, I think it's very easy to use, awesome to use for portable washing, so you don't have to go ahead and worry about spending all that money or worrying about having to have a hose around or spending that money at the car wash machine. Just buy a one-time thing and do it yourself if you're not willing to not do it yourself. Of course, if you are willing not to do it to yourself, then you go to a car wash. That's up to you. But that's it for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video and everything I had to show you today, go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up. Show me all the love and support that you guys love to show the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that share button, because sharing is caring. We want to make sure that everybody's aware of everything we do on this channel, so they're not missing out, just like you're not missing out. And if you got any questions, comments, or concerns, put them in the comment box down below. I'll get to you as soon as I can, when I can, as fast as I can. If you still haven't done so at the end of the video, hit the subscribe button, enable bell notifications, so you get notified every time we drop great videos like this one or whenever we go live. And that's it for today, guys. Until next time, I'm out of here. Peace.